What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video just after the holidays, but today we're going to be doing something kind of holiday inspired. We're going to be hooking up our mailman with a cool pair of custom shoes. So he is a super cool dude, always chats with us anytime we're outside shooting pictures of cleats or shoes or anything like that. And the first few times that we met him in passing, he was kind of just obviously walking by, sees us outside taking pictures of shoes and cleats and was wondering what the heck are we doing. So of course we started chatting with him more and more about what we actually do and why he's always dropping off packages and stuff. And you know, once we started to build a relationship with him, he's a super cool dude. He's always picking up packages for us too, so we have to take care of those that take care of us. So we hooked him up with this really cool pair of Chicago Bears themed Fila boots. He's a huge Bears fan, always wearing a Bears hat and things like that. So today we're gonna go ahead, surprise him, and let him know these have been here with us for a few months. He dropped them off, called us one day out of the blue and said, can you guys take care of me and hook me up with a pair of custom boots for the winter and things like that. So he has no idea that these are coming. So we're gonna go ahead, invite him down into the studio and get his reaction for these. Ready? How you doing, bud? You wanna come around to the side?
Sure.
Come to the side door, we'll head downstairs.
I'm looking, it took them a long time to get it done.
Right, yeah, it was like a whole year.
Man, wow, okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. I was wondering, cause I said, first when the people who left before, they was getting stuff done. I was like, okay.
Yeah.
So when y'all came in,
Yeah.
first they was doing stuff, then y'all was doing some more. I was like, what the
Yeah.
hell are they doing?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Here you go.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh wow. Oh, that's cool. That is, oh my goodness, that is cool. That's awesome. This is awesome. Oh man, oh, that's nice. That's nice, man. I don't love that. Man, whenever I go out there, I'm like, where'd you get that from?
Yeah.
Like, stop it. I'm gonna give you his name and stuff, but don't y'all be bum rushing, man. I gotta pick up the package, you know?
Oh man,
but this is
funny.
pretty cool. This is nice. Oh, I like it.
Yeah, just want to say thank you for everything, really.
Oh,
You're a huge help, you know? Always there first, yeah.
I was like, it was a couple times I was like, okay,
Yeah.
they're gonna go to a
They're gonna
playhouse,
turn it
they're
around.
gonna turn it,
Yeah.
and I'll be able to wear
Yeah.
it.
No.
Yeah, no. Yeah, I was like,
No.
son of a-
Hopefully next year,
yeah,
man.
okay,
Yeah.
but he's awesome.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm glad everything working out. That
Definitely.
you got your logo. You know
Yeah.
that is just your own thing. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty
Definitely.
cool. That's nice,
Definitely.
man. That hoping that this business, I hope this thing to be packed
Yep,
pretty soon.
yep,
Every
yep.
time you turn around, it's
Definitely.
like, got 20 boxes. Of them. Like, all right, man,
Yeah.
bring them on. Like, come on, let's get them. Cause
Yeah.
people was telling me how. People just out of the blue say, man, did you see so-and-so with the shoes
Right,
and stuff like that?
right.
Kids would notice and they say, oh man, that's
Yeah.
pretty cool.
Yeah.
Who does that?
Yeah,
You know?
right.
And so I'm looking like,
I know a guy.
I know the
I know
guy.
a guy.
I think I know one of the guys. I think
Oh,
I know
too
that
funny,
guy.
too funny.
I know that guy.
Yeah.
See,
Yeah.
now I gotta go to party stuff just to show the shoes.
Just show them off.
Yeah, so people get like, oh man, I like, where you get them from? I said, man, them special guys. Come on, boy, I'll be honest, like, look,
Oh,
since
man.
I know he's this business, I'm gonna tell you where to get it.
Yes, sir.
I don't know what to do. I'm just, man, I might sleep with these things. These are so nice, man. They nice.
We're glad you like them. We're glad you like them.
Yeah, this is pretty cool, man. This is pretty cool. Oh man.
Yeah, it was crazy
It
for
was-
few months. You know, like I said, I
Huh?
kept telling you next
Oh
week,
yeah,
next
man.
week.
You
and
know
I'm
what?
like,
I didn't
feel
even
so bad.
No,
you know?
you know what? I didn't even worry about that because I know you're busy and stuff.
Yeah.
And see, like I said, when you deal with creative people, sometimes you gotta let them create
Right?
on their
Oh,
own time.
absolutely,
You
absolutely.
can't force nothing and push
Absolutely.
it because you want
Yeah.
them to do it at their very best.
Yeah.
So if it took next year,
Yeah.
I was okay.
Yeah.
I'd have been fine because
Yeah.
it takes
You
quite
know what I mean?
time for that
So,
process to
yeah.
come out. So and you want something good, you want something
Exactly.
nice. And it's like, you know, this ain't a manufacturing job.
Nope.
He's creating when it's
Nope.
here. So
Nope.
something like that, you
Yeah.
you gotta let it take time.
Yeah.
I said some things were meant to be. Sometimes you ain't meant to have things when you
Yeah.
have it.
Yep.
Sometimes it's meant to wait.
Yeah.
So when
Yeah.
you get it, you be like, oh man,
Yep.
look at that Christmas. Man, it's the best Christmas gift I got this year. It's
Oh
nice.
man.
Check it out. Well, let me let you go,
Yeah,
man.
thank you for everything.
Oh,
Appreciate
man,
you coming by.
Thank you. I
Thank you.
appreciate it.
All right, so that was awesome. There's nothing like seeing people's reactions once they actually get a pair of our shoes in hand. And as you guys could tell, he was super hyped, so that makes us super hyped. So hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing this one. I'm not sure if we've ever really shown a reaction video on here before, but that was pretty cool. So as always, give this video a like if you haven't already. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in that next video.